তো আপনাদের স্টুডেন্ট হিসাবে যে একটা কন্ট্রিবিউশন আছে, ইউ শুড পুশ ফর দ্য চেঞ্জেস। যদি কিছু পছন্দ না হয়,
we have become future leaders, not only in Bangladesh, but also in global stage.
I want to say this, that I know about the work of Daffodil University for quite some time. I'm a great supporter of Daffodil University, and it has been such a privilege to see the campus. It is beautiful and really important to meet you all. সবাই আপনাদের সাথে দেখা হলো, খুব ভালো লাগলো। But you should make Daffodil even better. তো আপনাদের স্টুডেন্ট হিসাবে যে একটা কন্ট্রিবিউশন আছে, you should push for the changes. যদি কিছু পছন্দ না হয়, যেটা বেটার করা যায়, এটা আপনারা পুশ করবেন, কিন্তু একা একা যাবেন না, একসাথে কাজ করবেন।
I'm very impressed by the campus and by also your students. I can say the energy, and I saw that they can be future leaders because that actually they are very passionate, very keen to learn, to understand. As I can say, they are smiling while I'm talking, right? Because that their mind is thinking, and I think this is what we need. We need people to really interactive and always explore. Yeah, the curiosity. I can say the curiosity from the students. And with very good facility support from the university, I saw so many labs. So this creates very diverse knowledge, skills, experience for the students. So I'm very confident to say that many students who came today, who is studying here today, will become future leaders, not only in Bangladesh, but also in global stage.